So the engineering pathway started in 2018. The whole idea and the goal of the pathway is to prepare students for at least their first year of engineering. The whole point is to go through the overview of design, wiring, circuits, programming, and just the foundational of all engineering professions. This facility is specifically designed for engineering. So as you see, there is a classroom in the front, a workshop in the back. By combining both, it gives the students the opportunity to have a space to sit down and talk design, where you don't need the machinery, but also once they get a design, get an idea, they go straight to the back and start testing and prototyping whatever design they have.
I would strongly encourage people to at least try engineering if maybe you don't even think it's for you, because it teaches you a lot. It's a different way of thinking. Right now we are doing a group project, so we have to learn how to work as a team, share ideas. If we disagree, talk it out, and then conclude on one thing. It really prepares you for the real world, and there's going to be disagreements at times. You just talk it out, look at pros and cons, which will be better for the team, and what you think is best for the actual project itself to succeed. So that's something really important that I think this class teaches you.
So what I'm holding here is an FTC robot. This is a project for my Engineering 2 class. We're all building robots to compete against our schools.
We do have some tech companies here in town that are actually helping our program, helping develop the students, helping talk to them about careers after high school, and just showing them, like, hey, this is what is possible. By heart, engineers are thinkers. We like to build, we like to take things apart, we like to understand how things work. And giving the students the opportunity and the freedom and the creativity to explore those greatly increases their chances of going into the field.